Hello, and thank you for joining the very first episode of Boyhood Unplugged. We are going to create a pinwheel today. Here is a list of the materials that you will need: a stick, a piece of paper, push pin or thumbtack, scissors, pin, and a ruler. So the first thing is to cut your square, make it a nice square, and then of the paper. Then take it and fold it along diagonally, as you can see as I'm doing in this picture here. You want to take it and fold it along both sides so that way you get a nice even line. Make sure you get your son involved too. So before you go to cut it, you'll want to color as well if you want to design it at all. So then you can see there are two lines going from each corner. Take your scissors, cut along these lines up to about ½ an inch away from the center. You don't want to cut all the way through, otherwise then you're just going to have 4 triangles. Once you get all 4 lines cut, then you're going to take the top corners of each piece and fold them to the center. You're going to take one corner from each side, and it's going to be the same corner on each triangle, so that way you get the pinwheel fan shape. And you're just alternating until you get all 4 corners into the center. It's kind of tricky to hold them all in place. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of a problem there, keeping them in the center there. But if you can pin them down and hold them there until you get the pin, either your push pin or your thumbtack ready, then it's pretty easy. And Ty's trying to help. He's like, "Here, Daddy, I'll help you." I forgot to have him color before I did this, so then we tried coloring after. It doesn't work as well because then you got the folds and stuff in the paper. Next, take your straight pin, push it into the center of all 4 corners. Make sure you get all 4 corners. The first time I did it, I missed all 4 corners, and then one of the fans ended up coming out. Then take your stick, usually go on the end of the stick. It's easier to push it into the grain that way. If you try doing it from the side, it's too hard to push in. I'll push all the way in there. So find what's the best way for you to push it in while still holding all the corners together and not losing the paper off the fan there. And there you have it. You got your very own pinwheel. Then you can let your son play with and blow on it, color it. You can color the stick, whatever you would like to do. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. Go be an awesome father.